Magandang araw! Sama-sama tayong matuto sa Teacher Sal Learning Resource Channel. Science 4, Quarter 1, Week 2. For the content, importance and impact of inventions on everyday life. For the review, guess what? Guess which invention it is from the list of inventions. Here are the word list: plane, jeepney, cell phone, refrigerator, plastic cup, projector, light bulb, solar pump, electronic mosquito repellent, electronic door opener, erythromycin, laptop, television, stove, steamboat, aircraft propellers, burglar alarm, Vasville modular housing, fire truck called Patriot. A flying vehicle with wings used to transport people or goods through the air. What is it? You're right, it is a plane. Next, a colorful, long jeep used for public transportation in the Philippines. You're right, it is a jeepney. A kitchen device used for cooking food with heat from gas or electricity. Very good, it is a stove. A quick setup house made from prefabricated parts used for emergency or affordable housing. That's right, it is Vasville modular housing. A device that alerts people when someone tries to break into a house or building. Burglar alarm. For the lesson purpose, at the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to classify some of the inventions in terms of the areas of human life this has improved or helped. Let's have activity number 1. Importance of inventions. It is good for 10 minutes. You get your bag and pull out at least 15 things you carried today. List those you have identified. Group the objects into at least 3 groupings. When you are done, share it with your seatmate and make a drawing. Here is a sample. For the first group, we have notebook, pencil, book. Next, wallet, coins. And the third one, fan and umbrella. Your answer here. Explain why you group the things you have in your bags that way. What is your basis? What's the word? Choose from the list below the words described. Write your answers in science notebook. For the choices, we have health, transportation, education, agriculture, household, communication, and entertainment. What's the word? It is the movement of people and goods from place to place. Transportation. It is the gathering of information about the world and oneself. Education. It is a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being, not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Health. It includes both growing and harvesting crops and raising animals or livestock. Agriculture. It is when people exchange various forms of meaning, such as ideas and information, through a common system of symbols. Communication. It is a form of activity that holds the attention and interest of an audience or gives pleasure and delight. entertainment. It refers to a family or group of people living together. It is a household. For day 2, can you remember the list we had yesterday? What other inventions do we want to be added to this list? Share with your seatmates 2 of these inventions you found very important to you personally and why. Be ready to share with the class. It is good for 5 minutes. Let's have activity number 2, classifying inventions. It is good for 15 minutes. Here are the materials needed. List of the inventions discussed in the previous week. Here is the word list. Using the list with about 40 inventions, you will work in groups to classify them under the 7 identified areas or categories. We have entertainment, household, agriculture, education, communication, transportation, and health. When you are done classifying this, the class will be grouped into 7 groups, where your teacher will assign a category to report to the class. Did the groups have the same objects classified under each category? What have you learned from this activity? For day 3, let us answer the following questions. You may raise your hand if you want to answer. What kinds of objects did we try to classify yesterday? Into what categories did we try to classify the objects? Let us recall the inventions we classified under each category. This was the output you made yesterday. For the group 1, laptop, projector, television, projector, phonograph. Group 2, plane, steamboat, jeepney. Group 3, banana, ketchup, patis, soyalak. Group 4, refrigerator, light bulb, vasville, modular housing, electronic door opener. Group 5, erythromycin, electronic mosquito repellent, 3-in-1 fire truck called Patriot. Activity number 3, benefits of inventions time frame. You will work on the same category you were assigned to report yesterday. You are given 10 minutes to discuss among yourselves how the inventions have helped the people. You may research about it using cell phone. You can use the template found in the worksheet for activity 3. Here is the template. Benefits from the invention. Based on the category assigned to you, fill in the information you have gathered about it. You will use this information when you report your findings in class. For the first column, we have invention, second column before this invention, and for the last column, after the invention. What feelings came about as you found out as a group the benefits brought about by the invention? In what way will this lesson help you appreciate each invention you have studied? If you are to invent something, which issue or problem will you try to address? What invention will that be? Share your idea. For day 4. Today, you will explore some accidental inventions and how this has benefited us these days. Watch the video, 15 accidental inventions you can't imagine your life without. You will list the objects and how this has benefited us these days. Share at least 3 of the 15 accidental inventions with your family members. Take note of their reactions to your sharing. If you are to invent something, which issue or problem will you try to address? For day 5. For your formative assessment, search the internet for documentation of an invention and inventor you think you will always be doing if you are given a chance. You will share this in class. Multiple choice. Choose the letter of the correct answer from the given options and write your choice in capital letters. Answers will be written on a piece of paper and submitted to your teacher. Which of the following inventions has greatly changed the way people communicate with each other? A. Laptop. B. Television. C. Cell phone. D. Projector. Number 2. Which of the following contributed to the improvement of health? A. Electronic mosquito repellent. B. Electronic door opener. C. Jeepney. D. Steamboat. Identify from the list below which does not belong. A. Patis. B. Videophone. C. Soya lac. D. Banana ketchup. The following are examples of inventions in agriculture, except one. Which is it? A. Soya lac. B. Banana ketchup. C. Tractor. D. Jeepney. Which of the following refers to the exchange of various forms of meaning, such as ideas and information, through a common system of symbols? A. Health. B. Agriculture. C. Education. D. Communication. Which of the following refers to complete physical, mental, and social well-being, not merely the absence of disease or infirmity? A. Health. B. Agriculture. C. Education. D. Communication. Identify from the list below which does not belong. A. Refrigerator. B. Stove. C. Projector. D. Burglar alarm. Number 8. Identify from the list below which does not belong. A. Alexander Graham Bell. B. Agapito Flores. C. Gregorio Zara. D. Daniel Dingle. Which of the following will you use to help you in your studies? A. Laptop. B. Projector. C. Television. D. Videophone. Who is known as the father of video teleconferencing? A. Alexander Graham Bell. B. Agapito Flores. C. Gregorio Zara. D. Daniel Dingle. Here are the correct answers.